friends, running kimono here, an actual video today, not a slideshow, of my Dollar General clearance event. The clearance event is taking place on Friday the 7th, Saturday the 8th, and Sunday the 9th. Today is like opening day. It is our Christmas and birthday for some of these really hot deals. This is the last clearance event of the year. The next one will be at the end of January. So we're gonna dive into what I did. I was juggling more than one store card, and I did use some paper manufacturers as well. Overall, absolutely fantastic. I think it was like $35 for this whole table of magic, and I also got $5 back from IBOTTA. And we have a cat chewing on a box in the background, so apologies for that. We're gonna talk about it's really bright right there too. Sorry guys, the sun. And that's why I like doing slideshows, because it's so bright sometimes when I'm shooting video. Okay, so I have these, this is kind of like a bonus item I found last night when I was going through some photos. The Schwarzkopf, this color and set only. I'll show you the UPCs for this one. They're on clearance for $3. Now, I will let you guys know that other Schwarzkopf hair dyes, and this is the name of the company, they are not tracking with the $4 digital. So these are on clearance for $3 each. Subtracting that $4 digital, it's free plus $1 of overage. There's not a lot of overage in this round of clearance. So just to let you guys know that these are unicorns, and I was juggling 7 cards today, and I found 7. So there's quite a few of those. In the clearance section, here is the UPCs for both the different colors, and it is this one only, guys, which is kind of bizarre and strange. And there was so much more that I could buy, but I just didn't have enough cards. But very happy to get overage on these items, and the $7 of overage I used to buy this detergent. Okay. Okay, the next little item that I found that was just a fantastic one is this Dove. It's like a body polish. And this was $2.90. I think Fetch has a rebate for this too, so I got to photograph my receipt. And we have a $3 digital, making this free plus 10 cents of overage. Here is the UPC for this product. So if you find this guy in the clearance section, load that $3 digital and you are in business. And I think Fetch has a rebate also for this. So I got to photograph my receipt. I think it's a couple of bucks. And this is why I love doing slideshows, because we're in this weird, everything's out of focus now. I hate when this happens. Okay, we're back in focus. You can see I'm a bit rusty-dusty, guys. I haven't done this in a bit. Okay, so that's another superb item I didn't have in my video. And then another really great one is this. I only found one of these. It's a Nivea lip balm for $1.80. So on clearance this weekend, it's 90 cents. We have $1 digital to go with this product, making it free plus 10 cents of overage. Focus, focus. So a free little lip balm. Definitely look through the beauty section at your DG because you might score big. Meat and potato item I bought with some of my overage was the scrubbing bubbles. This is $1.05. Love this product. Really good to clean up your house if you like foaming cleaner. And I put all of this in my Monday video, all the UPCs. So check out that video. I'll link it in the notes and at the very end for this, but it's such a good cleaner. I love it. Also, another really great find. Look, we have Phantom of the Opera dramatic lighting now. Let's try this again. Sorry, guys. Not the usual videos you're used to, but we're trying today. The Swiffer, this one, the 16 with the Gain scent, is $4.50. So half of that is $2.25. We have $1 digital coupon. So it makes this guy a $1.25, which is a really great price point. They're usually upwards of $5. And even if you don't have a Swiffer thing, just to pick up dust around your registers of your furnace, fantastic product. Talk a little bit about the Febreze. This one I could only find one, which was weird. It's a double pack of these little in the scent of ocean, so it's a double pack of the oils for $4.95. We have a $5 digital, making it free plus 5 cents of overage. Basically, it'll pick up your tax. Then these ones in the Gain scent and the other Gain scent, I found a whole slew of them. One manager actually brought out some bins for me, and I'm like, can I use more than one P&G coupon? Because I had some inserts from the October P&G, and she's like, absolutely. So we got this one and this one at 50% off. They were $2.45. I had a $2.50 from the October P&G or the digital coupon, so it made it free plus 5 cents of overage. And the manager actually rang me up, so that was really good. And I bought, you know, a bunch, so that was really fantastic. And this is one that wasn't in my video, this little blue one. If this might be something you want to look for them high and low in the clearance section, guys, because they're all over the place. Free shampoo is the Hello Hydration by Herbal Essence. So they are $1.50 a pop. So for 2 of them, it's $3 on the nose. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, making it free. I did it on 4 store cards and got a whole bunch of free shampoo. These Suave, these green ones, are $1.13 a pop. These shampoos, I paid that completely out of pocket, and then IBOTTA has $1 back, so it made it 13 cents each, so I have no problems with that. Probably one of my favorite finds of this clearance event. Oh look, it's falling. Give this video a thumbs up for really bad videography, because I am struggling with this video, guys. Maybe that's why I always do those slideshows. It's just so much easier than this stupidity today. $2.67 for this. A little bit of overage picked up, you know, a little bit of magic here and there. This is a superb product. I don't use gel to clean my toilets. I use these pucks, and I actually made a video on this. I'll link it at the very end if you want to watch. To pay $2.67 for a product that's upwards of $8 or $9 at Meijer, absolutely, what a great purchase. Last clearance event, we got a lot of this Clorox laundry sanitizer. If you want to freshen up your towels and, you know, stuff that gets grody and gross, $1.45. We don't have any digital coupons to go with this, but for $1.45, yes, I'll pay that all day, every day, because this stuff is really expensive. I've already gone through about 3 or 4 of these since the last clearance event because I use this for towels. Really great product. Now I did find 2 of these Parodontax toothpaste for $2.13. We have $1.50 digital, making it 63 cents. Double, triple check the expiry dates on these guys because you don't want to buy some expired toothpaste. But 63 cents for this, it's a really good toothpaste and one that we use in our household. I did go kind of crazy with this one product, but when you can get Scrub Daddy products for $1.02, it's absolutely what it's about. So you have the scrubber on one side and then the gems on the other. It's like a scrub, it's like a, I would have to describe this to be a lot like a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and then with a scrubber on the end. So I like to pay $1.02 for these. If I saw them, I just bought all of them at the store. That was one item I did stock up on. So I got 6 of them all together. So do love this product. Really great deal was these Tide It Simply 74 loads. These were in plain sight at most of the stores I visited. They didn't put them in the clearance section because of a lack of staff. You know, just stuff isn't getting done. They don't have time to make the clearance section look like, you know, Mary Poppins perfection. It is where it is, all this stuff, mostly in the laundry section or on end caps. This specific one I found at most of the stores. It was on clearance for $4.25. We have $1 digital, so it made it $3.25. And I visited 6 stores today, and I think all 6 had one. So very happy about that, and definitely used some of that Schwarzkopf overage. So I think I paid like $2 something per, so I'm very happy about that. Last product that I found, and this was a little harder to find, the bathroom one only. There's a kitchen one that is not part of it. It's these Microban cleaners. This is a P&G product, so they are on clearance for $1.45. We have $1 digital coupon, Or from the October P&G, there's also a $1 coupon for that. It makes it 45 cents for a cleaner, really good price point. Comments down below, guys. Tell me what you have been hauling and has it been successful today? And do you plan to go out tomorrow with the 5 off 25? I certainly might do that, but I really went hard today. And like, believe it or not, 35 bucks for all of this. Just for that alone, that's a really good price point, but very happy with my haul. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.